If you are a college going, office going person who wears their sneakers daily, or if you are an athlete who works out in their sneakers, or if you go to gym and wear your shoes on a regular basis, then this is a very interesting video for you guys. So without wasting any of the time, let's start with the video. What is up people, this is Kamle, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today I have a product for you guys which will completely clean your sneakers internally, because as I told you guys, if you wear your sneakers, shoes regularly, they start stinking because your feet start sweating and they start stinking, and that is not at all a good sign. So I have something which will help you out with that. So yes, here we have a product known as Portable Styler from the brand known as Born and Made. It is a USA based brand and it is a very interesting thing in my opinion. So let me unbox this for you guys and let's see what we have in here. So the first impression is something like this. This is such a premium looking product in my opinion. The build quality of the product is really nice. It feels really premium in hand. It is not just about how it feels, it is also about how it works. So we have to test it out as well. This is the actual product which will help you dry your sneakers, remove that all moisture and all of that stuff from inside of your sneakers. Now let me just show you how this thing works. We get this thing in two different parts, I believe. This is the main thing from which you can clean your sneakers, and this part here is the stand or the charger, you can call it. It works in two different ways because yes, you need something to hold this up and you need something to charge this up as well. So the first thing is we have to charge it to 100% before you use them, and there are two different ways how you can charge this thing. The first way is you can just see the charging port here. You can just look at it. You have to just open it, plug this cable in and just charge this thing. And you can also use this thing while it is charging, but only from this port. And I'm saying this only from this port because there are two different ways to charge this thing. Just remove it from here. You get a charging port below this. So you can see that C port there. You just plug that in and put this wire through this, and that is how it charges again. But this time you can't use them while it is charging because obviously if you remove this, it is not charging, and for the obvious reasons you can't use them while charging at this charging port. But if you're charging it from here, you can use it. So yes, there are two different ways to charge it, and when it is done charging, just remove this thing here, keep this thing aside, and now we have the main thing in our hand. And now let me just show you how to turn this on. So you see this acts as a power button and this also acts as a display. So let me just show you. Just hold this on for 2 seconds and it turns on. I'll show you how. And you hear the fan here, like just hear this. The fan started and yes, it is on. It is that easy. And you get 3 different modes in them. This is sports mode here. Then you get a daily mode. Just click this once. It turned to daily mode now, and now click it again and now it's on eco mode. So you get 3 different modes here and you can use it however you want. And according to the manual guide, you can keep this on for 12 hours on the eco mode. So yes, 12 hours is a very good battery life in my opinion. And the most important thing, if you think it is only a fan inside here, no, it is not. It also has UV lights in them, and let me just tell you, and it detects. It just started. So yes, it detects the environment, and if the environment is bright, it will not start with the UV light. It will just start on the fan. But when you insert this inside the sneaker, the UV lights and the fan both will turn on. So just to show you guys, I just bought my Nike Vomero 5s here, and you just turn this on. Yes, it just started, and just insert this in them. And here you go. This is how it looks, and as I just said, when you turn this on in bright places, the UV lights won't turn on, but as soon as it detects darkness around it, the UV lights turn on with the fan itself. So let me just keep this aside. This is the main unit. This is the crandle, something like that they call it. So that is really simple to use. This is a very cool product in my opinion. They also has a leather patch here just to hang it like this. This is pretty cool, like the leather patch. That's how you know that it is a premium product. This is a very simple and a useful product. But now coming to the price on it. It is for $115. Yes, it is in dollars because it is from USA. And as they are launching this now, so you can get 40% discount initially. That is somewhere around $65 to $70, somewhere around that. And one very important thing, as you guys will order this from USA, you will have to pay customs on it as well when it reaches India, because customs is something you have to pay whenever you buy anything from outside of India. And whenever they ship it to India, whenever this product lands in India, the custom, the FedEx or all of those people will call you, will message you about your KYC documents, all of that stuff, and will charge you customs, and you have to pay that. And also, just to let you guys know, the customs is never fixed, because sometimes it might be 2,500 rupees, sometimes it can go above that, sometimes it might be below that. It is never fixed. I just paid 2,700 something like that on this for the customs itself, and I have linked the product in the description box. You can go and check it out for yourself, and do let me know what you guys think about this product. Is it useful? Is it not? What is your opinion on it? And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.